What if I told you that getting 1000 YouTube subscribers in just 24 hours is not only possible, but people are doing it every day, and you too can do it? You see, YouTube algorithm is not just about luck, it is about strategy. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how small creators like you are hitting their first 1000 subscribers in just 24 hours, even with zero budget and no fancy equipment. If you are serious about growing your YouTube channel, stick with me till the end of this video, because the final tip I will share will bring everything together. Let's jump right into it right now. Number 1, mindset and channel setup. Before we dive into the tactics, let's start with your foundation. If your goal is 1000 subscribers in 24 hours, you can't post random content and hope for the best. You need clarity. Ask yourself, who am I creating the content for? What specific problem am I solving? Or what value am I offering to my audience? Every successful channel has a clear niche. Pick one and stick with it. People don't just subscribe to varieties, they subscribe to consistency. Number 2, choose a viral friendly topic. Now let's talk about content strategy. To grow fast, you need a video that people are already searching for. Go to YouTube, type in your niche, look for various videos with high views but low competition. Use tools like vidIQ and tube bundles. Let's say you are in the fitness niche. Instead of workout tips, try tips like 10 fat burning workouts for beginners. No equipment needed. Be specific, be searchable, be clear. Number 3, title and thumbnail. You can have the best videos in the world, but if your title and thumbnail don't grab attention, no one is going to click that video. Your title should make bold promise or ask a powerful question. Try something like how I gain 1000 subscribers in one day. Full breakdown. Add numbers, use emotional words, and keep your thumbnail simple. Too much text, people will scroll past. Just one powerful visual element and a few words, that is enough. Number 4, hook viewers fast. This is where most people mess up. The first 30 seconds of your videos are everything. That is when people decide to stay or click away. So how do you hook people to watch your video throughout? Start with a bold statement, a shock fact, or a personal story. For example, I uploaded this video yesterday and I got 15,000 views in 10 hours. Here is how I did it. Avoid long intros, get into the value fast. Number 5, boost watch time and engagement. YouTube promotes videos with high watch time and engagement. So what do? Use open loops. See something exciting that is coming later. Say something like, stick around because I will show you the exact script I used to go viral. Next, ask viewers to comment, not just drop a comment. Be specific. Say comment yes if you are going for 1000 today. The more like, comments and watch time, the faster your videos get pushed. Number 6, post at the right time. Timing matters. Post your videos when your audience is most active. If your channel is new, try posting between 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. in your local time. Then share your videos in groups, Facebook group, Radiant, WhatsApp, Discord, but don't spam. Offer value, ask for feedback. You'll be surprised how quickly those views and sub will add up. Number 7, YouTube short for fast growth. Want to grow even faster? Use YouTube short. Post 3 to 5 high quality shots in one day, each under 60 seconds. Open with a strong hook, end with a clear call to action. Subscribe for more quick tips. Short got massive reach, especially if you use trending audios. Many small creators have hit 1000 subscribers from shorts alone. Number 8, secret hack. Here is a powerful trick most creators ignore. Engage with other creators in your niche. Leave thoughtful comments on viral videos. Not nice video, actually add value. This puts you in front of a warm audience already interested in your kind of content. Also, consider collaboration. Even a shoutout exchange can give you a major boost. It is free and highly effective. In conclusion, is getting 1000 subscribers in 24 hours possible? Absolutely, it's possible if you follow this strategy, stay consistent and take massive action. Now it is your turn. If you find this video valuable, do well to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tips like this, and also drop a comment below. I am going for 1K views. I personally reply to every single comment, and if you want to see the exact video structure I used to go viral, you can watch the next video that is showing on your screen. I'll see you in my next video.